Do you want to learn how to stop failing at keto? Do you want to know the best secret to succeed at weight loss? First, what is keto? The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that provides multiple health benefits. This requires a dramatic decrease in the consumption of carbohydrates and its substitution with fat. This lowering of carbohydrates puts the body in a metabolic state known as ketosis. In ketosis, the body is extremely energy efficient in burning fat. It also converts fat into ketones in the liver, which can provide the brain with energy. In this video we shall talk about why people fail on keto diet. 1. You are eating too many calories. 20 to 50 grams of carbs a day is typical of the keto diet. Eating more than you need will make you gain weight. You may experience a complete stall in weight loss, or perhaps even a slight regain of some of that initial weight loss. Carefully track your food intake, and more importantly weigh and measure your portion sizes. 2. You're eating too much protein. The keto diet is a moderate protein diet, so aim for 20 to 25% of your calories coming from protein. Carefully calculate your protein needs. Too much and you won't stay in ketosis, too little and you'll lose muscle. 3. You aren't eating enough vegetables. Eat non-starchy veggies, such as broccoli, leafy greens, asparagus, and peppers, since they are your source of essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. If you skip out on veggies, you may have constipation, headaches, and feel generally crummy. 4. You're not actually in ketosis. Ketosis is the state your body is in when it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. Kickstart ketosis with a teaspoon or 2 of MCT oil, like bulletproof brain octane oil. MCT oils are medium-chain triglyceride fats that bypass the lymphatic system entirely and are uniquely absorbed by the liver in much the same way as carbs. In the liver, they are quickly converted into ketones, so they'll put you into ketosis much quicker. Plus, MCT oil helps you burn fat and gives you much more energy and focus, which is especially helpful when you're adjusting to keto. 5. You aren't eating enough fat. The keto diet is all about giving your body fat to burn for fuel and forcing it to stop relying on carbs. You should eat at least 2 servings of fat with every meal and snack to obtain enough calories. 6. You're not eating enough. Severely limiting your calories slows your metabolism, derailing your progress. Use a food calculator to estimate how many calories your body needs to lose 1 pound per week and stick within that range. Hit your macro goals by eating high-quality keto fats like coconut oil, avocados, grass-fed meats and eggs from pasture-raised chickens. Maintaining a healthy keto lifestyle can be a huge obstacle for some people. Sometimes you are excited to start and play by all of the rules initially and then you lose momentum. For some, curbing their cravings for sugar and carb-loaded foods is their undoing. Whatever the case may be, we are here to help you by giving you best possible ways to have success with keto. Ready to start your keto diet? If you're interested in trying the keto diet to lose weight or manage your health, but unsure how to eat, and what to avoid, don't worry. We've put together a keto diet resources with everything you need to know to guide you through the first month. Get started now. Visit the link in description.